Celebrate your life. Celebrate each moment. Can you see those scars that you've left on the fence? Brahma Day or Brahma Night, we'll call it a Kalpa. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Siddesh. Before starting the video, I would request you all to like the video, comment on the video, share the video as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to keep getting notification whenever a new video is posted. So today I want to talk about something that I read long time back. So this reading really left a very big impact on my life in general, and I think it will be very helpful if you guys also get to know about this. So it's a guy narrating a story about what happened with him. So this guy used to go for jogging around a lake every Sunday, and every Sunday he used to see this elderly woman at the edge of the lake with some small metal cages sitting there. So one day he felt very curious to know what this lady is doing, and he went closer to that lady. On going closer, he saw that in this metal cage there were some turtles, and she was having one more turtle in her lap. All were unharmed, and the fourth turtle was being cleaned with a brush on a lap. Now this guy goes there and tells hi, and then he starts talking to that lady. He's like, sorry for being so nosy, but I'm seeing you from so many days. Whenever I come to the park and you're always sitting here, and today I was just curious to know what you were doing. Are you cleaning the shells of these turtles? He asked. Now the lady responded, yes, I'm actually cleaning the shells of these turtles. And freshwater turtles have this kind of algae or scum which is there on their shells, which reduces the ability for them to absorb heat. Also, it weakens their shell in a whole and makes their body heavier. So that's why she was just helping out these turtles by cleaning them. And every Sunday she spends 2 hours doing this. It's kind of a way of her to give or make a difference. Now, this guy was impressed by what the woman was telling, but he was thinking whether it's worth doing all this. So he asked the lady, don't you think most of the freshwater turtles have this scum and algae? And there are so many turtles in the world. There are so many freshwater lakes in the world. And she replied, yes, sadly it is true. Then he asked her a counter question. Don't you think that you can spend your time in a better way? Like 1 or 2 turtles, what difference will it make? There are so many turtles in the world who are having the same issue. It's become their way of life. Why do you bother to do this? And the lady started giggling. The lady giggled and looked at him and removed the last bit of algae which was there on that last turtle. And as soon as she removed that, she left the turtle to go back to the water. She looked back at this guy and told, you know what? If this turtle could speak to you, then this turtle would tell what a big difference it made to him. These words from that lady made that guy completely lose his mind. Like you can question what difference does it make, but that turtle knows what difference it made to his world. Life gives us so many opportunities to do the small things. You never know, one drop of yours makes such a huge difference. So many people do charity, so many people do things for nature, for animals, and a lot of times people ask them the question, what difference does it make if you are doing this? But when you're helping a child finish his education, when you're helping an animal to get adopted, or when you're helping in planting a sapling, you are making the difference for that animal, for that child, for that sapling, and that means the world for that being. That's the message today, guys. Go do your good deed, keep spreading positivity, and make the difference in whatever way you can. That's it for today, guys. Thank you, take care, and see you in the next video.